Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we will discuss about indefinite pronouns. As the name indicates, indefinite. So we are just talking about something which is unspecific. So let us discuss indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that do not indicate the exact person, place or object. For example, someone has stolen my pen. She does not know anything about the party. So you can see over here we are talking about someone means the person is not specific. Next, she does not know anything about the party. So over here we are talking about anything, we are not specifying the things. So I hope by this the indefinite pronoun is clear. We are not specifying any person, place or thing. List of indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns which are always used for things. Everything, nothing, something, anything. So these are the indefinite pronouns which are used for the things which are not specific. Indefinite pronouns which are always used as singular. For example, everyone, someone, anybody, somebody, each, one, either, anyone, neither. Anyone can please pick me from home, so we are not specifying anyone. Somebody has stolen my purse, so we are not specifying some person, we are just randomly saying that someone. But from this you can see that we are just talking about one person, that is singular. Indefinite pronouns which are always used as plural, for example, both, few, many, other, several. So these are the indefinite pronouns which we always use as the plural. Plural you know very well when we are talking about more than one person. Indefinite pronouns which are used as singular and plural, it depends on the subject. If we are using singular subject, then it is used as a singular indefinite pronoun. If we are talking about the plural subject, then we are using indefinite plural nouns. So the list is given: all, any, more, most and some. For example, did you buy any dress? Over here the word, the indefinite pronoun, is used as a singular indefinite pronoun. The second example, she refused to answer any question. Here the word any indefinite pronoun is used as a plural because we are using the word questions. That's all for today. So I hope everything is clear to you. So today I have tried my best to tell you about the indefinite pronoun, the list of indefinite pronoun and the usage of indefinite pronoun. Thank you so much for your attention.